Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this G-Shock watch. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your watch. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, make sure when you put it back this plate, put it the same way as it is right now. Okay, so we need to remove these 4 screws using this mini Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so I have this little container here. Okay, so now remove this plate. Right there. Be careful with this little like rubber band around here that do not fall down, because this is what protects from the water getting inside the watch. So be careful. Do not drop it or throw it away, okay? Put it on the side, this part. And then we're gonna remove this little plastic. We're gonna put it back also. Okay, right there. You see, this one came out. This one is supposed to be like that. Okay, it's supposed to be like that. This clip. I'm trying to get closer as much I can so you can see it. I don't know why my camera is kind of looks like blur. So now it's a good idea to have different tools, because you never know when you're gonna use it. I have this little like a screwdriver, so I'm gonna put this out. Okay, so I'm using my Twizzler here to go under here on the side. Okay, so you see the clip is out. So now let's pull out the battery. Okay, put it somewhere. And then we're gonna do the other one. Sometimes you only need one. Depends how your watch is working, but in this case I'm gonna show you how to do it both. If this thing is the whole watch come out, just make sure you put it the same way. Okay, it's a good idea, like hold it so it won't come out. So okay, right there. Okay, make sure you buy the right model for depends of what model G watch do you have, and buy the right model, the battery. Okay, because if you put a different model, it won't work or it might get damaged. Okay, so make sure you buy the right model of the battery for your watch. Okay, so let's now replace for the new one. I have this one here, so just kind of lift this a little bit right there, and then try to push it. Yeah, it's always the right there, the bell is on the way, and press it over there and kind of push it. So make sure the clip is locked right there. Okay, so now let's insert the other one. Always the letters up. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but the letters go up right there. Okay, press it and it should be locked. Okay, but I make sure it's not bended or something, the clip, so I press it against before I close the watch. Okay, so right there I replace the battery, and as you see, it's working. See, it's flashing over there. Okay, so now let's put the cover back like I told you. Be careful with the rubber band that goes here, because that rubber band protect the watch from the water coming in. Remember this little plastic, put it back like that, and then this one, put it the same way it was. Right there. Right there, you see? So the rubber band didn't come out because that rubber band come out so easy. So now from here we're gonna put back the screws. Do not tight the first screw all the way. Always screw it a little bit and then place the other one. Because if you tie one all the way, then it's gonna be like uneven, the cover, and the water might go through. I like this the G-Shock watches because they cost around $100, and it's worth it because I work in a restaurant, and I rinse my hands a lot. So every time I am a bus boy, and every time I remove dishes from the tables, so I rinse my hands a lot. So I love these watches because I've been with this watch for a year, and it's very strong. Water won't go through, and I like it. Okay, so tie each screw a little bit at a time until Don't over tight also. Okay. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay. So as you see, it's working. Okay guys, so I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, check my other videos. I have lots of video over there. I am trying to fix everything I can. So also don't forget to put something under the watch so it doesn't scratch the watch. Okay. Have a great day, and please give me like, subscribe, and go Bears.